Kids Games.
Gold. It needs a little repair. Let's have a look. Drag the scanner to check it out. You're so smart. Super! Now let's disassemble the bucket wheel excavator. Keep going. Perfect. Well, it all needs to be fixed. There's something wrong with the wires. Sorry, I lost my keys. Let's break these locks. That's a lot of dust. Let's vacuum it up. Magnificent! Plug the wire into the right place. Square. Triangle. Heart. Heart. Circle. Yay! It works! The track is broken. Uh-oh, trash! Pick up all the items with the pliers. You're so smart. Perfect. Install the parts in the matching silhouette. Dents, let's level them out. We need to remove the rocks with pliers. That's great! Use a hammer to level out the dents. Excellent! Perfect! The only thing left to do is paint. Keep going! Great job! All done! Now help to assemble bucket wheel excavator. That was wonderful! Now we can upgrade the parts. It's time to take the car to the construction site. Let's go! Let's go! Keep going! Congratulations!